Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about famous product from IKEA, which is a study table for kids, but for them the product name is Mammut, Mammut. So which comprises around four parts. Obviously you have the liberty to choose as many as chairs as possible, as you can afford, obviously. And but don't forget to purchase these two items together. One is labeled with 1 and second with 2, because it comes in two parts. I mean, obviously the legs are provided separately. Just to share with you my experience, that it happened to me before. On the other day when I purchased this, I forgot to bring legs of these tables to the cashier, but thanks to him that he reminded me to bring those together. Of course, the worst case scenario, you would be going back to home and returning back to IKEA again to complete your setup. Okay, that's all for today. That's sort of a very brief intro. In terms of pricing, these four items, obviously, I mean, if we combine legs with the table, so it's a one item plus two chairs. The price for these three, I mean, one table plus two chair is 250 AED in Emirates dirhams, which is equal to around 80 USD. So guys, let's get started, and I'm gonna unbox, obviously try to fix them and try to show you the main steps so that it would be easier for you to know how it goes. So guys, I'm just over with unpacking of these items. So as we can see, this is downside of the table with four holes in it, and we are having four legs with four screws. It's pretty simpler design, so that you can easily install it alone. I mean, no need to bring any specialist technician for this or a furniture guy. Similar is the case for these two chairs. We have manuals together so that we can go through them and try to install them and plug them as per the instructions provided in them. Okay, so here we are. Let's see what's inside here. So very much simpler, as we can see here. Just need to screw four legs inside the body of the table in these built-in holes. Okay, let's see what they say about the chairs. Okay, as we can see, the foot of the legs are provided separately. Maybe some of them has already been installed, some of them we need to insert. Very simpler techniques. Fortunately, no screws are used here, and that's it. So let's hope for the best. I will come up with a solution based on their suggestions right now. So here we are with the final finished product, fully assembled, and all parts are fully fixed. It's quite simpler. It took just above 20 minutes of my time, so it's highly recommended within a reasonable amount of budget, and you can easily fix it, and very lightweight. Especially the dimensions are quite user friendly for kids aged between 3 to 7 years or so. And I hope you like this video, and let's see you again. Thank you. Bye bye.